Hello everyone, this is Introduction to Watercolour Tools and Supplies. Starting off first, I think the most important thing to spend your money on is paper. I use Saunders Waterford. It's a really good thick paper. Also the paint goes on really nicely. Then onto sketching, I like to use Blackwing pencils. It's just a preference. There's no particular reason. To be honest, any pencil is totally fine. And then definitely a must is a putty rubber. I mean, looks a bit disgusting, but you can mold putty rubbers, and also they don't leave any bits once you erase. For water, I just use old jam jars. There's nothing special about them. They're free and just perfect for the job. So moving on to paintbrushes, these are my three main brushes. They're all Princeton. Get you to see. This is my biggest one, so it's an Aqua Elite Long Round 8. It's quite big and it's good for covering large spaces. I don't paint very big, so I don't really need big paintbrushes, but that's one of the ones I use. Then I use the Princeton Velvet Touch Long Round 4. This is the one I use the most. It's great for covering large spaces, so quite good for fine work as well. And then lastly, I use the Princeton Velvet Touch Liner in 10-0. I don't really know how to say that, to be honest. But it's a really, really fine brush, which is great for the tiny details. And for palettes, this is the one that I've used for quite some time, just a metal palette. It's just from an online art supply shop. I did treat myself to this handmade ceramic palette, which I absolutely love as well, but it's not quite as big, and I do use both of them together. Just quickly, something else I use this Micron 2 very often, just to add a little bit of extra sharpness to the blacks, or if I'm doing kind of a mix, kind of pen and watercolour, I always use these. I started out with paints using the Winsor Newton Cotman watercolour. You don't need anything more, I would say. The difference between these and the professional is the pigments are a little bit stronger, but I still use Payne's Grey and I still use Payne's Grey and the Chinese White in the Cotman, just because I bought them and I still have them. And that is a quick rundown of all my tools and supplies. If you have any questions, just let me know and I'll try and answer them. Next up is going to be techniques.